essential financial assistance and grants for the disabled and low income, real resources for medical, dental, and home needs. /PP. For individuals living with disabilities or limited income, navigating systems for help can be exhausting. However, several vetted programs provide substantial financial relief for essential needs. The Dental Lifeline Network, for example, coordinates free treatment from volunteer dentists for those who are disabled, elderly, or medically fragile. With the average recipient receiving over $3,200 in care for extractions, dentures, and crowns, this program restores health for those with no other way to pay. While wait lists exist and it is a once-in-a-lifetime service, the impact on quality of life is profound. /PP. Localized support through organizations like the ARC can provide flexible micro-grants ranging from $100 to $2,500. In Minnesota, these grants support employment and independence, while Oregon's program uses funds from special needs trusts to cover accessibility, legal, or educational expenses. Similarly, Friends of Man acts as a safety net of last resort, providing items like wheelchairs, hearing aids, and prosthetics that insurance often denies. This charity requires an application through a referring professional, such as a social worker or healthcare provider, and serves households earning up to 300% of the federal poverty level. /PP. Home accessibility is another major focus for these organizations. Operation Ramp It Up installs modular aluminum ramps completely free of charge for those who have exhausted all other coverage options. These reusable ramps are installed by volunteers, providing immediate mobility and independence. For smaller home modifications, Rebuilding Together's Safe at Home program offers free fixes like grab bars, handrails, and lighting improvements to prevent falls. Additionally, the LCS Bellows Fund through United Cerebral Palsy provides up to $1,000 for assistive technology, and every state has a dedicated assistive technology program that offers device loans and low-cost financing. /PP. For those facing high utility bills or medical emergencies, specialized grants can bridge the gap. Modest Needs offers an independent living grant specifically for those permanently unable to work, providing up to $750 for critical utility payments or necessary medical equipment. For individuals in active cancer treatment, hardship funds like the Pink Fund or Jill's Wish offer grants between $500 and $3,000 to cover non-medical living expenses like rent and car payments. These programs ensure that patients can focus on recovery without the immediate threat of financial collapse during their treatment. /PP. Perhaps the most significant relief comes from patient assistance funds like the PAN Foundation. These funds provide massive annual grants, sometimes exceeding $12,000 or even $18,000, to cover the costs of co-pays, insurance premiums, and specialized medications for chronic conditions like hemophilia or Cushing's disease. Approved applicants can often receive an additional $500 transportation grant for travel to medical appointments. By researching disease-specific funds and applying as soon as windows open, you can secure the vital support needed to manage long-term health challenges. Stay persistent, and explore these hidden resources to find the relief you deserve.